We had quite the windstorm last night. A super big tree on Strong Street got knocked down. This is, it's maybe hard to tell, maybe 10 feet up. It kind of split and then went over there. So it's like actually like maybe 60 feet. And then we got, lots of little small things falling down and sort of, I really don't want to walk under this. I don't know why I'm doing that. Yeah, it's not holding itself up by fucking anything, man. I gotta get someone over here to take this out so that Loki doesn't get crushed. Let's see, what else came down? These are things we were already using, but this is another piece that came down, I guess, from one of these trees. Hard to know which one, but this is a solid, I'm guessing it came down from that big tree there. It's a pretty lengthy branch, 5, 10, like 18 feet branch. And there's an even longer branch that came down from somewhere. 5, let's see, that's about 5, 10, 15, 20, 22 feet, I'm guessing, came down. And then, yeah, quite a lot of little small things all littered around our yard. And that was the windstorm of last night. And this is cool. Look at all these, gosh, are these funguses? Are they lichens? What the hell are they? They're pretty cool. This entire branch is covered with them. Okay, let's go on inside, little dog. Here's our house. There's my plant containers that I haven't put away. Okay. Alright, well, I'm getting wet, so I'm going to go inside. I guess I actually want to peek this way and see if anything happened on the side or front from yesterday. I'm getting the winter tour. Actually, not seeing anything dramatic. Okay. Alright, Loki, let's go inside before I get wetter. Alright, here we go. Look, the little plants that I planted last year. They look pretty cool. I hope they're going to do okay. Come on, buddy. Lots and lots of detritus fallen from yesterday. I already cleared off a lot of the stuff that was here, but there's still things here. Anyway, I'll share this video with you now. Love you. Bye.